Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
So four XT3 15s on 4 C7 4Ks.
Okay.
I have a stock alt 270, and then I have an aftermarket Singer 320.
Okay. Wow. That looks really good.
And this is my very first big build.
First big build, okay. Did you build the box at all?
My guy, Kelly Ruffalo did.
Okay.
Rough Creations. So the outside is birch, inside is MDF.
Nice. Looks good.
I like this, man.
Is this like where your battery hidden?
Yeah, so two batteries.
Are they lithium or AGM?
AGM.
Okay. Do you know your total amp hour?
I don't. Not off
You
the
know?
top of my
It's
head.
all good. Sweet.
And then I got
Oh yeah.
one sub, mids, and then I got 2 more amps on the side.
Oh, so you have 4, 1 per.
4, yeah.
Okay. Now here? Yeah, man. Hey, could you tell the guy next to you I'm getting the demo and I'll be over. Okay. Yep. Thank you. Oh, there you are.
Yeah.
So what's your name real quick?
Joey Cavelli.
Okay. And what kind of power and subs are these?
So it's an XT3 15 Crossfire, and it's on 5 XP 3000 XS power batteries.
Oh, okay. Nice. So I think those are 90 to 110 amp hours, so I guess around 400 to 500 amp hours of battery. Got it. All right. It's really good. Do you know the tuning on it?
The box is tuned at 50 hertz,
Okay.
but she does so it peaks about 38.
Okay. Do any SPL, numbers?
So I metered yesterday, not with in the lanes. My friend had it. I did 154.7. I think I could hit 155 on the cold start.
Yeah. All right. Does it do better window up or down?
We'll leave it down for this one.
Okay. demo, man.
You, dude. I appreciate
Wow. Definitely open this up. That helps you load off of that door, and it puts the loads on the passenger.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for the
Thank you,
demo.
man.
That's
I appreciate
awesome.
it.
What was your name, man?
it. Joey Cavelli.
Joey. Thank you, Joey, man.
Thank you.
Awesome.